Monica needs that happen too. So she can sleep at night. Stay awake. You're right.
Mm-hmm.
What's here? What is this? You like how it's all the way different from me?
Yeah. Here, let me just reposition you here.
I did. Position
You
to
positioned her into your arms.
You've had plenty of turns today, though.
Oh, really?
Like, I know.
Because he's a baby stealer. Only your mom is allowed to take more turns than us.
That's not accurate.
Grandma and Daddy. Mom and Dad Trump. And his grandma. Is that how that works? It's
Is
pecking
that
order,
the
right?
order?
It's pecking order.